I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by powering on and signing in with your Google account so settings and apps sync automatically. Once done, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network and open settings. Make sure you run any pending Chrome OS update to get security and feature fixes. After the update finishes, restart if prompted. This minimizes odd behavior later. Next, confirm your time zone, battery level, and that sync is enabled so bookmarks, extensions, and passwords appear across devices. Now enable Linux Crostini to run full Linux apps and developer tools. Open Settings, go to Developers or Linux Beta, then turn it on, pick a disk size that fits your workflow and create the Linux username. Wait for the container to download and initialize. Once running, open the terminal and run apt update and apt upgrade to get current packages. Finally, set shared folders between Chrome OS and the Linux container and adjust storage so you don't finish by installing needed apps. Use Play Store for Android apps, Chrome Web Store for extensions, and apt or Flatpak inside Linux for desktop tools. Pin frequently used apps to the shelf and set default apps for files. Backup important files to Google Drive. If you encounter glitches, slow updates, missing files, or app crashes, first restart the device. If that fails, reset the Linux container. As a last resort, use Power Wash to restore factory settings, remembering to back up before you proceed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.